You can use whatever part of the chicken, but right here I got these on sale. They are some boneless chicken thighs. All right, no bone. Can you see it? Them debone, nicely cut up. Yes, but no, we not work with this here, so we're gonna take off all of them skin here. And I also have some legs. I'm gonna cut them in two. Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, we're gonna do some Jamaican curry chicken. Yes, yardie style, yardie vibes. And I wash my chicken, clean it up nicely, wash it with some vinegar. You can wash it with salt or lime or lemon juice. And I have some fresh vegetable, carrot, scallion. I have 2 Irish potatoes, half of green bell pepper, fresh onion, and scotch bonnet pepper. Over here I have some frozen bell pepper, so we're gonna put them aside. And here I have my blended seasoning, which is onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, and pimento. Blend up and marinate, all right, or preserve with some vinegar. About a tablespoon of this all-purpose seasoning, another tablespoon of this roasted garlic, Caribbean spice. That's good. This is some paprika. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon. I'm gonna put a little bit of this garlic powder, about a teaspoon, and same for this onion powder, another teaspoon. Right here I have some turmeric. At first I'm gonna put about half teaspoon, something like that. And then I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of curry powder. That's that. And now the final thing, I'm gonna put some of my blended seasoning, about 2 tablespoons. That's good enough. If you don't have any blended seasoning, you would go ahead at this time, right, and you would add your onion, your scallion, and some fresh garlic and some pimento green. All right, and you're gonna let it marinate for a little bit, maybe about 2 hours or more, or an hour if you want. It's up to you. So we're just gonna mix up all of this goodness. All right guys, can you see this goodness? All right, I'm gonna let it marinate for a little bit, maybe a few hours, and then we're gonna come back. And also I'm gonna cut up all of that seasoning ahead of time, you know, because you know I've cut up already. You just cut up in a small pieces or big pieces, it's up to you. So I cut up all my veggie, Irish, my carrot, my sweet pepper, my onion, and I have 1 clove of garlic, and I just press some ginger. Just use the knife back and press it, and piece of pepper. I don't want the whole one because you know my daughter's gonna eat it. And my frozen bell pepper. Now there's my chicken. Oh yes. And there's some alternative to this curry chicken, guys. If you want, you can add a little bit of coconut milk in it, just a little. You can also add some butter bean. Why we add the Irish or the butter bean is to give it some body, you know. Cause you don't want the water run go gully, you want thick and juicy gravy. So this is gonna help make the body, make the gravy. Or you can add this. All right, you can also use some Maggi veggie stock, or you can just use the season as is, but I'm gonna use a little bit of Grace cock soup. I'm gonna add some coconut oil. That will do. I'm gonna add my ginger and my garlic. I want them to burn in the oil a little bit. Oh my, this smells so good. And at the same time, my mother said, burn the curry because you don't want to hurt your belly, or you have to make it well cooked. All right. So guys, since I have some of the curry already in the meat, this is my curry, I'm gonna add a little bit to the oil. All right, so it can burn in the oil. Turn your stove down, don't make it burn. About a tablespoon. All right, you want to mix it on in. All right, as it burn a little bit, you're gonna throw in your chicken. All right, that's good enough. So all of the chicken in. There you have it. I'm just gonna let it fry up a little bit. Then I'll come back. All right guys, can you see that goodness? We're gonna give it a little stir. Make sure your stove is on medium because you don't want it to burn. All right, see guys, no water yet. No water yet. The water is springing from the chicken. I'm gonna let it brown up for about 5 to 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna add some water to it and my vegetables over there. And guys, to eat with that, I have some flour, about a cup and a half of flour, and then I'm gonna add about a cup of cornmeal. Ooh, that's good. And you wanna add some salt and you wanna mix it up. And we're gonna make some cornmeal dumplings with few Irish. If you have some green banana and some yam, yes, but I don't have that, so this will do. I add the water already, and you just wanna knead it together. All right. Put all of that niceness up here, so. And you know, say one hand can't knead it. You need 2 hands, but I'm just showing you. All right. Oh, I use warm water too, because you want the cornmeal to a little bit rise. If not, boy, dumpling them I got tough, so you want to use warm water. All right guys. All right guys, when you finish, they're gonna look somewhat like this, and you just want to take some and you want to make it. I'm gonna see if I can use one hand to make the dumplings today. But basically you wanna make it like this. Wait. You never know, we're trying with one hand today guys, but basically, yeah, I did it. Oh, I did it with one hand. I never tried like that. You wanna do it like this, and you wanna put it in the pot. All right guys, look at that. I was kneading my dumplings. I made my dumplings. All right, so can you see it guys? Whew. Get away, Steve. No sticking in the pot. All right, turn your stove down. Look, my stove is at 2.8. all right, you see it guys, you don't even have to put any water in it. Look at that. All right, now at this time I'm going to turn it back up to about 5, because now I'm gonna add all my vegetables. I'm gonna add my 2 little pieces of pepper. All right, there's a trick to it. I have a little bit of the flour left over, and I'm gonna add a little bit of, that's the flour in my hand guys, so I'm gonna add a little bit of roll up or spinners. All right, basically, I don't know if I can do it with one hand again. Let me put it here. So basically, guys, I don't know if I can do it. All right, let me do it on the board, show you. So basically, you want to rub it, roll it in your two hands until it becomes somewhat like this. All right, and then you're gonna add them in. And now I'm gonna add about a cup of water, my frozen bell peppers, not too much. There you have it. And the final thing, as I said, you can add Maggi stock, but I have a little bit of cock soup. There you have it, a little bit of cock soup. I'm just gonna add that in. And that's it. Let this come to a boil and simmer down, and I'll come back and show you. And now I'm gonna add my dumpling to my water. And my mom always make a roll up. My daughter might have that. I'm gonna cut my Irish and put it on top and let it simmer. That's what's cooking over there, guys. My mama always said when you put the dumpling in the pot, you must mix it up because you don't want it stuck to the pot bottom. Alright my peeps, let's take a look at it. Oh yes, can you see everything almost cooked? Alright, just waiting for it to dry down. Alright guys, dumpling them start float, so them soon cook. Alright, look how them big. Dumpling them a float, so we are waiting for the Irish them to cook and give it dumpling the cornmeal a little bit more time to cook. And yeah, we're ready. Turn on the stove. Alright. Alright guys, we're back. Can you see that goodness, guys? Yes. And also, I'm gonna turn that stove off. I'm gonna share out some while it's hot. My Jamaican curry chicken, serve up with some cornmeal dumpling and some Irish. What do you want to say about it, Sonny? How is it?
Good.
It's good? Sonny said it's good, guys.
All of it.
Eat all of it? Sonny said eat all of it. I put it closer to the light so you can see it. Finger licking good. I'm gonna dive in, and there's more in the pot, guys. Look at that. Woo. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Good Jamaican curry chicken. Yes. Bye guys.